Good morning, welcome to the channel. Today we're here at a local car show. Gonna see if we can find some full-size Fords in here. I think I spotted one 64 Galaxy already. Let's get in here and start walking these rows, check it out, see if there's any more. This is 1 year newer than the, or older than the years we typically deal with, but it's a nice car that we figure we need to show it to you. It's a 1954 Ford Ranch Wagon. Really nice straight car. Very similar to the 55 actually. Really nice cruiser there. The overdrive emblems. Looks like somebody has swapped in a column out of a newer car, so I imagine the drivetrain's probably been updated in this one. Again, really nice clean example of a car you don't see very often. Here we have a 1964 Ford Galaxy 500XL. Looks like FE powered. Red with white top. Very nice looking car. Got the Magnum 500 style wheels on it. See the like the aluminum expansion tank. Cobra Le Mans valve covers. It's got a tri-power unit on it. Appears to be a manual transmission. .427 badges on the side of the car. I don't know if it's a real 427 car or not.
They have 13 of them there. It's a fire. Did you hear the proposal for the electric semis?
Bucket seats, console.
Yeah, the trucking companies have to tell their drivers to give up 2 hours a day for charging. So 2 hours out of a 10-hour day, normally they have a 10-hour day. That's 20% of their day. It's giving them the bicycle.
Let's see. Whoever painted the car painted over the VIN tag, so we can't really see it. But nice car. I'm assuming it's probably not an original 427 car, but nice nonetheless. And we have us another 64 Galaxy 500XL, almost the same color. Well, we've only about two full-size Fords here, and they're both almost the same car. Like we've got an FE with a cast iron intake here, cast iron 4-barrel.
And then those hubcaps were
352 car, automatic, bucket seats, console.
And then the inside the fan belt
It is the original 352 engine. The 352 Xcode was a 4-barrel 352 in this year. You can see it there, but the 10th of the, or the X code on the 5th of the VIN there, designated the 352. Really nice car, tastefully done.
Just 3 over in. Nice. I bet it does. Just hardly any throttle. 65.
You wouldn't have any problem with seals in this car? You haven't seen that long?
Really nice package tray in it. Overall, just nice Survivor car. Really straight, clean. Great cruiser. Beautiful car.
If you look at all this stuff, you want to keep it.
So there we have it. Not too many full-size Fords. Quite a showing of the 61 to 63 Bullet Birds, which are cool in their own right. But it's kind of weird. Only 2 Galaxies, both 64 500XL'S. Too bad weather was a little dicey today. Hasn't rained, but kind of looks like it's going to, so that might have kept some people away. But anyway, just thought we'd bring you along for the ride today, and hope you have a great day. Enjoy.